But the only thing is, like, just think of like someone says, Roshan, I love you. It's hard for me to believe, actually. I have a question mark, always. And because of that, we ask, if someone comes in my life and says, Roshan, I love you, and we go in a relationship, I phone them in the evening time and says, please tell me once again. Say it again. I've seen, like, especially the younger boys, but not just younger boys, but even at the elder stages, we just call and check it again. The person has already said in the morning time, but it seems like I'm not sure about it. I just call and I again ask, please tell me once again. But do you? And how much? Is it really possible for us to talk about how much I love someone? But on top, we just ask. Why? Because that talks about my insecurity and my, it's hard for me to accept that I haven't loved myself yet. How come it's possible that this person loves me? I don't love myself because I know there are a lot of loopholes. So if I don't love myself and it seems like hard for me to love myself, how come it's possible that this person loves me? Maybe there is a mistake. Maybe there is a mistake, and because of that, I check it again and again. So sense of appreciation is very hard for us. Like if somebody appreciates me, Roshan, you're so good. Am I? I'm not sure about it. And anytime somebody insults me, I take it seriously because it seems like I'm insulting myself throughout the day. I've insulted myself, I've disrespected myself heavily. And because of that, I take it very easily instead of if someone says, I love you or I admire you. And because of that, we get stuck with the imbalance of the hormones and all those things.